this black brace, and then right where the transmission is meeting with the engine, and then you're going to want to look for this black cord, and that leads you right to the crankshaft sensor. So on this plug, there is a gray lock. You gotta pull it out. So it starts in, you gotta pull it out, and then push down on it. Then you can pull that guy off. And that gives us access to the crankshaft sensor. Looks like it's a and you're gonna need your T30 and a ratchet. Squeeze it in there. Oh, be careful not to strip it. Come on. It would probably be easier to take this black bracket off or brace off, but I figured it would save me one more step. Pop that little guy out, set it aside, clean it up real quick. I got a little 90-degree pick. Just try and wiggle the sensor out now. Here's the old one. Here's the replacement, just a quick side by side. And then we just gotta do everything in reverse order. There's kind of grooves that help you line it up. Gotta give it a little bit of force. Oh, got some. Make sure there's not any dirt or anything that's gonna get stuck in the plug when you reconnect it. Make sure it's nice up in there. Grab your T30 and the bolt. Pop it back in. I like to get it started with my hand first before I grab the ratchet. Make sure you're going in straight and not cross-threading. Hook it up to your ratchet. Make sure you are tightening. It's not far enough in yet to start ratcheting. Go a little bit tighter. Getting it hand tight. Put the ratchet on. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's gonna take a simple wet wipe and just wipe up here. Probably best to do this before you put the sensor, the new sensor back in. Clean this area up a little bit. And then we're gonna take the new sensor, or the plug, give it a quick wipe down. I'm gonna grab some paper towel just to dry it off really quick. Make sure that guy's all nice and clean. And make sure there's nothing clogging the inside there. Feed this back through. And then connect it right back up there. You should hear a small click. And then I'm gonna go back on the back side. My flathead screwdriver. Pop that gray guy back in on the back. There's another level, or another piece of plastic it should be about level with. And then that is all for the crankshaft sensor.